Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. So, kung bago ka sa channel na to, I am BERN, and in this channel, I share about my travels, freelancing journey, and mga tutorials. So, kita nyo naman sa title ng video ito kung ano yung pag-uusapan natin or kung anong topic ang i-share ko sa inyo. Yes, kung ikaw ay newbie, freelancer, or gusto mong maging freelancer, then stay tuned and tapusin mo itong video na to and for sure, makakatulong to sa'yo. So, yes, in this video, I'm gonna be sharing 3 steps na gagawin mo in the next 30 days para makuha mo yung first client mo and that will earn you your first $1,000. Okay? So, start tayo. Ready ka na ba? Okay. So, number 1, ano ba yung dapat mong gawin? So, doon sa 30 days, yung first 20 days mo, gamitin mo siya to connect with your potential clients. Oo, connect with them and ask them their biggest problem dun sa business nila. So, saan mo naman makukuha itong mga potential clients na to? Don't worry, I got you. So, dyan sa description box, ilalagay ko yung mga Facebook groups. Pwede kang puntahan or salihan para makapag-connect ka sa mga potential clients kasi those groups are really, yung engagement dyan sa groups na yun ay napakataas and marami dyang clients. In fact, dyan ako kumukuha ng clients madalas, okay? So, yun. Connect with your potential clients, ask them their biggest problem, and yung bleeding neck ng business nila. So, yun lang gagawin mo for the first 20 days. So, let's say sa isang araw, at least connect with 5 people or 5 potential clients. So, imagine with that 20 days, you're gonna have 100 people or potential clients on your list, diba? So, yun lang yung gagawin mo on the first 20 days. Then the next 7 days, that's the time na you will research and study the problems that were presented to you. So, pag-aaralan mo yung mga problems na yun kung paano mo ito ay masasolve. Oo. Aralin mo and yun, mag-research ka and find what problems na ang kaya mong isolve dun sa mga binigay sa'yo ng potential clients mo. Oo, hindi mo kailangang isolve lahat. Just find or filter the biggest problems ng clients na shinare sa'yo and then filter them kung ano yung kaya mong, sa tingin mong kaya mong gawin. And then dun sa other problems na sa tingin mong hindi mo kaya, that's papasok yung yung network mo. Find someone in your network. May it be your relative o mga pinsan mo, ganyan, or friends mo or colleagues mo, ganyan, who can help you solve that problem. Oo. So, aralin nyo pareho, ganyan. So, hanap ka lang partner, ganyan. O, partner sa freelancing. Kung gusto mong isolve lahat ng problems na yun, di ba? So, hanap ka ng makakatulong mo, ganyan. But then, also, find solution na sa tingin mo, ikaw mismo kaya mong gawin. So, yun yung gagawin mo in the next 7 days. Also, in that 7 days, that's the phase wherein you will have to decide what will be your offer. So, Bianca, ano ba yung offer na tinatawag? So, it's a statement wherein sinasabi mo, kumbaga, it simply explains kung ano yung gagawin mo or kung paano ka makakahelp sa client. So, for example, ang statement ko ay ganito: I help entrepreneurs and coaches increase revenue through conversion-focused, creatively designed websites and email marketing. So, bakit mahalaga na meron kang offer? Kasi, di ba, minsan, pag tinatanong tayo ng potential client, what do you do? Hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin lang that you are a web designer. Kasi minsan, by simply saying that, medyo vague sa kanila kung ano ba yung gagawin mo talaga. Minsan yung mga kliyente kasi, they want specific words na marinig nila para malaman nila na ikaw ay magiging helpful sa kanilang business or sa kanilang company, ganyan. So, mas clear kasi yung na meron kang offer kasi doon makikita ng client kung saang part or aspect ng business nila makakatulong ka. So, imagine if, doon nga katulad sa offer ko, clear doon na I help entrepreneurs and coaches build websites na conversion focused, ganyan. Tapos, with and also their email marketing. So, dun sa 7 days, that's the part na magre-research ka and aaralin mo yung mga biggest problems ng mga clients, and at the same time, that's the phase wherein you will decide what will be your offer sa iyong potential clients. Okay, so imagine, dun sa 20 days, meron kang 100 potential clients na nakipag-connect ka na. And then, dun sa 7 days, naaral mo na kung paano mo masosolve yung problems na pinresent sa'yo ng iyong potential clients. And at the same time, within that 7 day, alam mo na kung paano mo isosolve, and meron ka ng offer na yun naman ang gagamitin mo on the remaining 3 days. So, dun sa remaining na 3 days, babalikan mo ngayon yung list na meron ka, which is 100 potential clients, and then let them know that you already have the solution to their biggest problem. So, imagine if a client hears that, na parang, okay, bakit pa ako lalayo? Kung andito na yung solution, diba? Kahit naman ikaw mismo, ibibigay na sa'yo yung solution or i-offer na sa'yo yung solution. O, diba? It's like saving on their part, sa client part, it will save them time, it will save them money, diba? By hiring you. So, yun, balikan mo yung 100 na yun, and napaka-imposible na within that 100 person or dun sa 100 person ay walang mag-grab ng offer mo. Kasi solution na mismo yun, binibigay mo dun sa problem nila. And if a client nga, alam nila na you will solve their bleeding neck dun sa business nila, bakit pa nila pakakawalan, diba? So, that's it. Yun lang ang gagawin mo in the 30 days na mag-start ka as freelancer or papasukin mo yung freelancing journey. So, yun. Dun sa description box, isa-share ko din sa inyo yung mga links ng mga groups na pwede mong salihan, and proven talaga na you can get clients there, kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, personally, I get my clients there. And kung sa tingin nyo or mag-wonder kayo if this 3-step in 30 days will work, personally, I've tried it, and yeah, baka naman ibato nyo sa akin na syempre hindi ka naman na bagong freelancer, so for sure possible talaga sa part mo yun. But mind you guys, nag-start din ako sa scratch, and nagsimula din ako sa ganyan, and that's the kumbaga starting point ko na lang din kung paano ko na-build yung portfolio ko. So, ayun guys, I hope na nakatulong itong video ito, and I really pray na makakuha na kayo ng first client nyo. And ayun, don't stop praying pa rin for your freelancing journey. Ay, pahabol pala, dun sa 100 people na nag-gather mo, yung list na gawa mo within that 20 days, keep it, and sasabihin ko sa inyo kung paano nyo mapapalaki yung list na yan, and kung paano nyo magagamit yung inyong connection or yung list ng mga potential clients para mas mapalaki pa, or mapalawak nyo pa yung inyong freelancing journey. Oo, napakahalaga niyan. So, kung gusto mong malaman kung paano mo magagamit yan para ma-increase mo pa yung inyong freelancing earnings, stay tuned and watch out for my next video, kasi doon ko sasabihin sa inyo kung paano yan nagamitin. So, ayun, kung naka-help ito again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button para wala kang mag-miss sa ating mga upcoming tutorials. Okay, again, this is me, BERN. I hope you have a good day.